How to hide a character in Character AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide a character in Character AI. In order to hide a character in Character AI, first of all, open your Character AI application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. You may also use the official website of Character AI, which is character.ai, in your web browser. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here you will be able to see your recent chats. Navigate to the character you wish to hide from the list, or you may also tap on this explore or the search icon at the bottom, and then in the search bar search for the name of the character that you'd like to hide. Once you find the character, tap on it to open it, and then you will be taken to the chat interface. In the space at the top, you will be able to see the character name or profile. Tap on it and then you will be presented with this page. In this page, here you will be able to see the option Hide Character. Simply tap on this Hide Character option and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to confirm to hide this character. For that, tap on this Yes button right here and then you will see you have successfully hidden this character. Now this character will no longer appear in your main chat list. In the future, if you want to unhide it, you will need to remember their name to unhide them later. Hiding a character doesn't delete any of their data, but it simply removes them from your visible chat list. So by following these steps, you can successfully hide characters in Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.